Namaskaram. I am S. Kumar from the prestigious family of Melatur Bhagavata Mela and a performing artist in Bhagavata Mela, donning many lead roles since years. Today, Sri Narasimha Jayanti. On this auspicious occasion, Bhagavata Mela Natya Nadaga Sangam Melatur is so very pleased to present glimpses of Prahlada Charitam. This being my first official event after taking over the leadership of this great tradition, I pray and seek the blessings of Lord Narasimha, my grandfather, founder of this Sangam, Sri V. Ganesh Iyer, my father, my Guru, Kalaimamani, Sangeet Natak Academy Awardee, Sri G. Swaminathan, Divine Mother, Srimati S. Kalyani Amma, Guru, Sutradhar of Bhagavata Mela, Sri G. Krishnamurti Sharma, and my brother, Guru, the great legend of Bhagavata Mela, Sri S. Natarajan. I also need all your wishes, blessings, and support. We dedicate this event as a tribute unto the memory of my brother Sri S. Natarajan. We also pay our respects to the departed soul of our artist and secretary of Bhagavata Mela, Sri G. Mahadevan Melatur. I begin this event with the traditional Pundarigam and Konangi.
Janakikanta Smaranam Jai Jai Rama Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda Jaya Pundarika Varada Hari Varada Namah Parvati Pataye Har Mahadeva He Lakshmi Nrsimhamurti ki Jai Anjaneya Swami ki Jai
Now, Melam, Mela Prapti or Purvaranga. The Purvaranga format adapted by Sri Venkatrama Sastri in the play Prahlada Charitam is so very special. In a nutshell, this is narration of the story. The concept of Kathasangraha is absent in Sanskrit dramas. Srikanth Natarajan and R. Arvind have been performing this since 1990. Frankly speaking, successful presentation of Melam sets the tone for the rest of the play. Hence, the expectations are very high. It adds up the pressure for Srikanth and Aravind, and they know it too. Let me ask Srikanth to say a few words about him and his experience of presenting Melam with Aravind. After Melam, it is always the Pravesha Daru of Vinayagar or Pillayar by Srikanth again. I request Arvind also to say few words.
Sure, Anna. I still remember the days when we learned the Melam from Natarajan Mama. It was one of the masterpieces which Mama had choreographed, and the grueling rehearsals that Srikanth and myself had to undergo to learn this from Mama is still etched in my memory. As you explained, Melam is the opening number on the Prahlada Charitra Natakam, and I have made it a point that I never miss the opportunity to perform this masterpiece, and wherever I am and whatever I do on the work front, I would be there at Melatur on the Prahlada Charitram day to perform the Melam as obeisance to Lord Narasimha.
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
शान्तो मातुलो यस्य जननी सर्वदा
जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सर्वरुग चरण जय सर्वरुग चरण
நமஸ்காரம். என்னோட பேர் ஸ்ரீகாந்த். நான் ஒரு மெலட்டூர் வாசி. இது சொல்லிக்கிறதுல ரொம்ப பெருமைப்படுறேன், சந்தோஷப்படுறேன். என்னுடைய தகப்பனார் காலம் சென்ற எம்ஆர் கிருஷ்ணமூர்த்தி அவர்கள் பாகவத மேளாவில் ட்ரெஷரராக நிறைய நாள் பணியாற்றி இருக்கிறார். ஒரு நடிகரும் கூட. சின்ன வயசுலேருந்தே நானும் பாகவத மேளாவில் நடிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். 12 வயசு இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வரதராஜ சுவாமி கோவிலில் எழுந்தருளி இருக்கும் நரசிம்ம பெருமானுக்கு ஒரு சத்தியமும் செய்து கொடுத்துள்ளேன். அதாவது, எனது ஆயுட்காலம் இருக்கும் வரை, உடல் ஆரோக்கியம் இருக்கும் வரை, எங்கிருந்தாலும் மெலட்டூருக்கு வந்து இந்த இறைப்பணியை, கலைப்பணியை தொடர்ந்து செய்து வருவேன் என்று. அவனருளாலே அவன் தாழ் பணிந்து எனக்கு கூற கேட்டிருக்கிறோம். இறைவன் தான் இனி வரும் காலங்களிலும் வருடங்களிலும் இந்த இறைப்பணி தொடர்ந்து செய்ய அருள வேண்டும் என்று பிரார்த்திக்கிறேன். பாகவத மேளால மேளம் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு இன்றியமையாத அம்சம். பிரகலாத சரித்திரத்துல ரொம்பவே விசேஷம். இந்த மேளம்னா என்ன? ரங்க பூஜை, தோடையமங்கலம், பிரகலாத பட்டாபிஷேக சப்தம், கணபதி கௌத்துவம், ஜக்கினி தரு போன்ற சிறிய சிறிய உருப்படிகளை எல்லாம் ஒன்றிணைத்து சுமார் 20 நிமிடத்திற்கு பாடப்பட்டு வந்த ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சி ஆகும். இது காலங்காலமா பாடிக்கிட்டு தான் வந்தாங்க. We celebrated our golden jubilee year of Bhagavata Mela in 1990. ஆம், பொன்விழா ஆண்டு எனது குரு காலம் சென்ற கலைமாமணி சங்கீத நாடக அகாடமி அவார்டி திரு எஸ் நடராஜன் அவர்கள் இதற்கு நடன வடிவம் கொடுக்க வேண்டும் என்று ஆசைப்பட்டார். குறுகிய சில மணிக்கூறுகளில் எனக்கும் என்னுடைய கசின் அரவிந்த் ராமதுரை அவர்களுக்கும் இருவருக்குமாக அற்புதமாக ஒரு நடன வடிவம் கொடுத்து அந்த வருடம் அதை அரங்கேற்றினார். 1990 முதல் இதுவரை தொடர்ந்து இந்த மேளம் ஆடப்பட்டு வருகிறது. இதில் என்ன ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு விஷயம்னா, ஒரு முறையும் மேடை ஏறுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்னோட குரு என்கிட்ட சொல்லுவார், மேளம் நன்னா அமைஞ்சுடுத்துனா இன்னைக்கு டிராமா சூப்பர். எங்களுக்கு திக்குங்கும். இல்லைனாலே இறைவனை பிரார்த்தித்து வேண்டிட்டு தான் நாங்கள் மேடை ஏறுவோம். ஒரு முறையும் இதில் கூடுதலாக பொறுப்பு. ஏன்னா இது நன்னா அமைஞ்சுடுத்துனா எல்லா நடிகர்களுக்கும் ஒரு உற்சாகம், இன்னைக்கு நன்னா அமைஞ்சிடும் டிராமா அப்படின்னு. அந்த பொறுப்பு எங்கள் இருவரின் கைகளில் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிட்டு அப்படியே அதை அஞ்சலியா நரசிம்ம பெருமானுக்கு ஒரு வருடமும் தவறாமல் செய்து வருகிறோம். இறைவனும் ஒரு வருடமும் அதை மேன்மேலும் சிறப்பாகவே நடத்தி கொண்டு வருகிறார்.
Before I go further, I introduce our music team. Head of Music Department of Bhavada Mela, Thiruviyar Brothers, Mr. S. Narasimhan, and his brother, Mr. S. Venkadeshan, Dr. Venkadeshan. He has done his PhD in musical aspects of Melatur Bhagavad Mela. L. Prabhakaran, my cousin, Venkata Subramaniam, son of Mr. Narasimhan, Venkata Krishnan, son of Mr. Venkadeshan. These three youngsters are already been trained by Thiruviyar Brothers, and a solid foundation has been laid for the future of Bhagavata Mela as far as music is concerned. On Mridangam, the great Nagai Prabhu Sri Ram. What can I say? You are all going to watch it. You can decide yourself. On flute, Mr. Gokul. On violin, Sri A.V. Durai. He has been playing violin for Bhagavata Mela almost 60 years now. And on Suddhamadalam, Mr. Kannan Balakrishnan. It is a special addition as far as Prahlada Charitam is concerned, and mainly for the character of Hiranyakasipu. Kannan, after watching Prahlada Charitam, came forward and suggested that introducing Suddhamadalam for the character of Hiranyakasipu would enhance the quality of the presentation of Hiranyakasipu. After that, he has been playing Suddhamadalam for the last 30 years as an offering to Lord Narasimha. This is our music team. Now, we go into the Praveshadarus. Every character in Bhagavata Mela is introduced with the Praveshadaru. And for main characters, there is a Vachana in Dvipata form. This itself generally gives the description of the character. And before the entry of king, Katikam Vadu enters the stage with the Praveshadaru and announces the arrival of the demon king. This is a dialogue done by Bharadwaj Venkata Subramaniam since few years. Now you can watch the Pravesham of Hiranyakasipu and then the Pravesham of Leelavati, wife of Hiranyakasipu, with Tarai Tirumanu. It has been my brother for the last 60 years or so presenting this particular character.
Oh దగ 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 దా దిగి 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 ది దగ 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 దిగి దిగి ది దగ తుంగు తక తింగిన రా రై రా
Now it is time to move into the story. Kulavuru Chukracharyalu is coming to meet Hiranyakasipu and he is well received by the family. Hiranyakasipu does Pada Puja and seek his blessings. Guru blesses him and also informs him that his brother is killed by Hari. This makes Hiranyakasipu very angry. He says he will find Hari and kill him. This is a dialogue. Seeing the developments, Leelavati is very much worried. She politely requests her husband not to get so much of anger and not to fight with Hari. This is a Samvadadaru between Leelavati and Hiranyakasipu. Pragladan by Kalin Subbaraya, Sukracharyalu by Sri R. Varadarajan. And I request Mr. Venkateshan to say few words about the darus which are in use in Bhagavata Mela, composed by Sri Venkatarama Sastri.
ఒకటి పైనుంచి చూడింగ పలిఖ్యతనిపుడు సగజుని సంబా అలగరి వైరము మదిని అడుమానదురా బలి బలి ధరలోన చైత్యకులమునకు అపకీర్తి సరుజకు జరపినుమా సత్తలాంగుతా క్రీడతగతా తైరాతగత దింగిడతో విలవయ్య 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 గురువర్గ విపుల ధనముడా తన సహోదరుని తప్పిన సౌరిని కదా స్వతోలములలో పారిపోయినాడు. ఏదించి కనుకాలడు కొంచెం విడువను ఈ కువలయంబునలో వంచింప నా చేత తప్పింపబడను నీ కటాక్షమున సద్గురు నీ కటాక్షమున మేటిని హరిణి చీకాకు చచ్చదను శీఘ్రముననిపుడు
అని ఇట్లు కలిగిన హిరణ్యకశిపు వలుగుల విని శుక్రాచార్యులు అత్యంత సంతోషభరితుడై நாவோ
மெல்ட்டூர் வெங்கட்ராம சாஸ்திரி அவர்கள் ஏறக்குறைய 12 நாடகங்களை இயற்றியுள்ளதாக தெரிகிறது. இவை அனைத்துமே தெலுங்கு மொழியிலேயே படைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. இந்நாடகங்களில் பல வகையான தருவகைகளை காணலாம். சான்றாக பிரவேசதரு, உத்தர பிரத்யுத்தரதரு, சம்பாததரு, ஸ்வகததரு, பிரலாபதரு போன்ற பல வகையான தருவகைகளை காண முடிகிறது. மேலும் இத்தருக்களில் ஸ்வர சாகித்யம், சொற்கட்டு சுரங்கள் போன்ற அம்சங்களும் இடம்பெறுகின்றன. இவை தவிர அதிகமான இசைக்கூறுகளும் இதில் காண முடிகிறது. மேலும் பல இசை நாடகங்களில் பெண் கதாபாத்திரங்களில் வரக்கூடிய கதாபாத்திரங்களுக்கு திரை தீர்மானம் என்னும் ஒரு வகையும் இடம்பெறுகின்றது.
Leelavati tried her best and requested her husband not to get angry, but it didn't work out. She is in so much of worry, fear, and also afraid that something might happen to her husband. When she is sitting and crying, Hiranyakasipu happened to see her. He is also upset, angry, helplessness, and sad that his wife is not understanding his powers. He tries to tell her about the boons he has taken and that he has no death. He promises to call for Mulabaladi Rakshasulu and find Hari and kill him. This is again a dialogue. Mulabalam by Srikanth and Vijay Madhavan. Prahlada is about 7.5 hours. Characters like Moolabalam gives little free time for the audience to relax and smile. Let us watch Moolabalam and enjoy.
కాంతరో వినవే మునుము నేను హరిని చూసి ఆధారముడు మాని ఆఘము తొలగించి ఈ దేగంపు కృషింప దెగవసే మునుము అనుసంపు దవదెంప అత్యుక్రమణం అప్పుడు వనజ సంభవుడు నా వరమిచ్చినాడు. తెలియరో అప్పుడు వనజ సంభవుడు నా వరమిచ్చినాడు. అస్త్రములమైన వేయుక్కులనైన వేర్పులనైన బాబుల పశుమృగ పక్షులైన జీవధోమలము ధరి జంతువులైన పగలందులైన మాపడి వేళనైన జగదిలో ఈ జగదిలో ఈ జగదిలో ఎందులో సావులేదు. ఎందులో సావులేదు. కోరి వరములు గైకొట్టి కావునను తెలియా నేను వరములు గైకొట్టి కావు. ఇది నీకు తెలియలేక సదాస్ సావు లేది అనుకునే వరములు గైకొట్టి హరిని చూడ కనుల కానుడు యాసవులు కనుల కానుడు యాసవులు గజ దొంగనక తనలాగా కైవలసి ఎంతో ఉంటాడు ఆ సౌని. కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడే ఆ పంగలాక్ష్మి భారతది ఇప్పుడు తెలియదు. దానవ కులములో పెళ్ళాడిన జీవు అన్న సారలు పోరులు పెట్టరోయ్, పోరులు పెట్టరోయ్. నీ సౌర్యమును పారి వచ్చు చౌరి పెట్టుకున్నాడు బొమ్మను
అని ఇట్లు హిరణ్యకశిపుడు ఆయన చేసుకొని గొర్రెల రక్కసులు ప్రకండులై వక్తరంబులు జరుపుకొని ఉప్పు ముబ్బలుడుచు ధూమసహిత దావానలంబువలే సాంప్రశంకాదంపైన కేశంబులు వెలయక పేదన చేతన వాదనంబులు చేయుచు అంతరిక్ష స్వర్గంబనుండు దేవదానవ గంధర్వ కిన్నర కింపురుష పన్నక సిద్ధదాద్య సకల దిక్పాలకు అధరింప బెదిరింపజేయుచు భూలోకంబుల యాగాది క్రతువుల సకల ధర్మంబులం చెరుబదలచి మిక్కిలి రక్కసులు మృక్కళితంబు ఏమని పలుకుతున్నారు
హరియందు దాక్యను అప్సర వరులార హరియందు దాక్యను అప్సర వరులార హరియందు దాక్యను అప్సర
Prahladan is coming to meet his father for the first time. After doing namaskaram and all, he wants to say something to his father and requesting him not to get angry. While saying so, he says, Manakela Vishnu Dvesham. This angers Hiranyakasipu. He calls for Chandamargudu for doing Aksharabhyasam for Prahlada. We can say teacher and schooling. Chandamargudu enters with the pravesham. This is by Piswati S. Venkata Subramaniam. I have to say few words about Venkata Subramaniam alias Ganesh. Few may not know him, or many may not recognize him. He is the one who has been doing the role of Sri Nrsimha Swami since 1978. Before that, his father, Piswati or Sundaramayyar, had done it. When he came to know that my father trained me for the role of Hiranyakasipu, he also quit this role and trained Ganesh. Now, Ganesh is training his son Bharadwaj. the legacy of Pisuvati family at Melatur continue. Prahladan goes for schooling and Hiranyakasipu has given clear-cut instructions to the teacher. Jappumu nadu pradavambu tappaga danava madambu sthiramuga ilalo vippagu murahari kathalanu. And తన ప్రదావంబు ఎందందు ఉన్నదిగో అంతయున్ వానికి తెలిపింతుము. భూని హరిగిరి అని బోధింపగిలను. హరిగిరి అని బోధింపగిలను. హరిగిరి. This is the instruction given to the teacher. Normal practice we say, don't say that and this. தமிழில் சொல்லணும்னா அது இதுன்னு பேசாதேம்பா. The same thing centuries ago Venkatrama Sastrigal has composed. Hiranyakasipu goes and fetches his son back from school, making him sit on his lap, very eagerly ask him what you have learned. Unfortunately, Prahladan talks about Hari only. This angers Hiranyakasipu. He became more aggressive. Pushing him down, he shouts at Leelavati, why he is born for us, and he promises to kill his son also. This is again a dialogue. Looking at the developments, Leelavati is more worried. She is sitting and crying alone, trying to commit suicide or kill herself. She tries many ways, only to be saved by Prahladan. This is in Ahiri. Now, I request Mr. Narasimhan to say a few words about the rare ragas which are in use in Bhagavatamela, composed by Sri Venkatrama Sastri.
వినవయ్యా తండ్రి, ఒక మనవి చెప్పేను. మనసున ఊబించదు కూడదు. హరిపై పగ పెట్టేది యుద్ధము కాదు. అది ఎట్లానంటే తన్ను కట్టన్ను భారము తామి తెచ్చినట్లున్నది. ఇసగలో పాదలతో వినట్లున్నది. అగ్నిని భక్షించు వారితో ఎదురించరాదు. అయ్యా, విష్ణుద్వేషంబు మనకేలా? మనకేల విష్ణుద్వేషంబు? నీతితో చెప్పేను, ఇంగను చిన్నమయ్యా. హరి హరి
అనిట్లు హరి వైరము తహదని పలికిన ప్రహ్లాదునికి అక్షరాభ్యాసంబు చేయ నిశ్చయించి తన కుల గురువర్యుని అనుమతిని ఒక సులగ్నంబున హిరణ్యకశిపు ప్రహ్లాదునికి అక్షరాభ్యాసంబు చేయ చండామహాత్ముని రప్పింపమనగానంతటా చండామహాత్ముడు వచ్చే మార్గంబు పర్ర
ఇంటిగ బాలుల నెల్ల కంటింపుదు కడువేగమే ఇంటిగ బాలుల నెల్ల కంటింపుదు కడువేగమే
ఈ నాలుగినల్లి అందుకు పలుము ఏమంటే వనజనాభుని వందెంపవలను ఇట్లు దేహమంతుని ప్రతి అవయవాదుల చాట భగవంతుని పూజించి భావించి మరణించి సేవింపని ఎవ్వడు పూజించును అతడే తండ్రి ఎందుకు క్రోధం చెప్పేవాడు సిద్ధముగా చంద్రుడే కాని తండ్రి కాడు హరి
ఈ వీడు కుర్మను మన కుల కులశిష్యుడు మీరు దైత్యకుల వాత్సకులు కనకదా ఇటువంటి కస్తుంటూ మనకు ఆ వైరి హరిని వేల ఆత్మలో మనసు భావించుతున్నారు ఈ కుడిల చెప్తుడు భగవాని విషుల కొడుకని ఎంచును కొమ్మరో కొడుకని ఎంచును ఏకమే కొడుకని
దైరను సరి సాటి లేనటి తనయు ఇలను బట్టి తెగవేయ తలస ఈ పామరుండు పామరుండు ఏతు సైర్యందు నేనిందుకు ఏమి చేతు ఏట్లు సైరింతు నేనిందుకు ఏమి చేతు దైవ గదులు ఎట్లున్నదో అది తప్పది పూడు దైవ గతులు ఎట్లున్నదో అది తప్పది పూడు తాళుతో నే
இந்த மெலட்டூர் வெங்கட்ராம சாஸ்திரியுடைய இசை நாடகங்களில் பெண் வேடதார பிரவேசத்திற்குள் வீர அம்சம் பொருந்திய ராகமான அட்டானா போன்ற ராகங்களை பெண் வேடதாரர்களுக்கு அமைத்துள்ளார். நளினமான ராகங்களான கல்யாணி போன்ற வகை ராகங்களை ஆண் வேடதாரர்கள் ராஜபாட் போன்றவைகள் கூட அமைத்துள்ளார். இது அந்த கவியினுடைய சிறப்பு அம்சம். பிரகலாத சரித்திரத்தில் ஆகிரி, கண்டா, மாஞ்சி போன்ற பழமையான ராகங்களும் கனராகங்களான சங்கராவரணம், மோகனம், கல்யாணி, ஆரபி போன்ற தேவகாந்தாரி போன்ற பல வகை ராகங்களும் இடம்பெறுகின்றன. இவற்றில் முக்கியமாக கான காலம் என்பதற்கு ஏற்ப ஆகிரி ராகமானது இரவு நாடகம் தொடங்கி நள்ளிரவினை கடந்து வரும் காட்சிகளான லீலாவதி தனக்குத்தானே தனது மகனது நிலையினை எண்ணி புலம்புவதாக வரக்கூடிய காட்சியில் ஆகிரி ராகதரு அமைந்துள்ளது.
We go into the main role of Prahlada Charitam, an important role, Bhumi Devi. Before that, there are few roles which I am sorry I am not able to show it here. Pamula Vanlaru by my younger sister Ranjani's son Anirudh Prasanna. He has been groomed for the future. Very soon you can see him in one of my brother's main role. Frankly, he should have done it years before itself. Next is Vishadarudu by my younger brother S. Neelakandan alias Subhash. He is a very talented artist doing many good roles in other dramas. Then comes Gajendrudu by Kutur or Venkata Subramaniam, a great artist. Give him any role at any time, even hours before the drama, he gives his best. He is going to be our future again. Then comes Jatlu by S. Sanat Kumar and Sai Ajay, my younger brother's son. Sanat Kumar again can deliver, can do more things for Bhagavata Mela. But it is our mistake that we are not able to provide him with such roles, potential roles so far. It will happen soon. And Ajay is a very talented person. We are seeing this already. He is also going to be our future for Bhagavata Mela. And when the 81st year of Bhagavata Mela Nataka Mahotsav takes place soon, when things get normal with the blessings of Lord Narasimha, when we perform, we are expecting through 3 new faces in Bhagavatamela. One is Karaikal V. Balagurunathan, a great artist. We welcome him. We are all waiting for him to join the family of Bhagavatamela. And this time, I have to introduce one more artist, Mr. Gopalakrishnan, alias Gopal Melatur. He has not done any role in Prahlada, but he has done some good roles in other dramas. Here, I want to thank him for one purpose. Without him, this relay wouldn't have taken place. He has been very supportive, giving technical assistance, editing, providing the equipments, etc., etc. On behalf of Bhagavatamela, I thank him for his services, for producing this video. Now we go on to Bhumi Devi. As I said before, it's an important character, and Vijay Madhavan has been doing this almost 30 years, I think. I request him to say a few words about him and also the importance of this Pravesha Daru of Bhumi Devi.
Namaskaram. I am Vijay Madhavan, a Bharatanatyam dancer, choreographer and a researcher. I have been awarded the Yuva Puraskar by Sangeet Natak Academy and have completed my doctoral degree in Natya from Sri Chandrasekharendra Vishwa Mahavidyalayam. I have curated a technique to document Bharatanatyam which is called as Natyography. I am a disciple of Padma Shri awardee Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran. I have been associated with this Melatur Bhagavad Mela tradition for more than 3 decades now. In the Bhagavad Mela tradition, both the male and the female characters are performed by male artists. In this context, I am extremely happy to be performing this female role for more than 3 decades now. In the Prahlada Charitra Natakam, where it is revolving around the Bhakta Prahlada, I perform the role of Bhumi Devi who resurrects Prahlada when he is pushed from the hillock. The importance and the significance of this role cannot be explained by words. It is so dear to me and I am very happy performing this role for 3 decades now. The salient feature of this Pravesha Daru, every character in the play are introduced in a form of Darus in Bhagavad Mela. But typically in this Pravesha Daru, it is more a Tillana Daru in place, wherein you have a kind of Tillana that is interspersed with the Pravesha Daru's work. So that is the salient feature of this Pravesha Daru. It is set in Ragam Kambodi and Talamadi.
Hiranyakasipu, having tried to kill Prahladan in many ways and failed, is coming to confront Prahladan directly. He is very angry. He tells Prahladan to leave Haribhakti at once. When it doesn't happen, he becomes so ferocious and asks him to bring Hari in the pillar, because Prahladan says Hari is there everywhere. According to me, this is the most important scene and the moving one as far as Hiranyakasipu is concerned. Frankly speaking, there is no rehearsal for this particular scene. I don't even know how I present, what I do, etc. It's all left to him. So it would be different each and every year. And Prahladan, having promised, does Sambastuti, praying and requesting Lord Narasimha to appear in the pillar.
దుర్బుద్ధి వీడి తొలగిపోలేదురా. నేను దుర్బుద్ధి ఉంటే అది నీ వీడి తొలగిపోలేదురా. సురరాజ ముఖ దివి సులభంగా వరసి మన రాజులకు భయంకరమైన చేసి చాణక్య రాజుల సకల భూపతుల ఆవికలదసి చాణక్య రాజుల సకల భూపతుల ఆవికలదసి నేను సర్వాధిపత్యముగా నేను సర్వాధిపత్యముగా
ఓర్వే బాలక ఎందుకును సడియవో ఎరా ఓర్వే బాలక ఎందుకును సడియవో ఎరా ఓర్వే బాలక
Now, the Avirbhavam of Sri Narasimha Swami. Hiranyakashipu breaks the pillar and Swami comes out. After the Avirbhavam at Melattur, there is a samvadam between Hiranyakashipu and Lord Narasimha. Unfortunately, I can't show it here. Hence, we move to the end. Mangala.
ఏమని పలికారు? ఏమని పలికారు? ఇళ్ళ బాధించు యాక అని యాంగో రాక్షుడు సత్యోత్తుల నుండెరుతోడా మరి నీవు తావు రొంబ మోసగలిగినావు కదరా, మోసగలిగినావు కదరా. అట్లయితే బాగా ఈ సంభవంతు చూపిమెక్క తనకు சொன்னதையா சக்கரை సౌరి ఈ సంభవంతు ఉన్నారా?
ఉన్నారు.
ఈ సంభవంతు ఉన్నారా?
ಧನಧಾನ ವರದ ವರದರಾಜ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವರದರಾಜ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವರದರಾಜ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾಲಯ ಕೃಪಾಲಯ ಭವಾನ್ ಸಿಂಹ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಪಾವನ ಪರಾಯಣ ಪವಾರ್ಜಿತ ದಯಾಮ ಪಾಹಿ ನರಸಿಂಹ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಪಂಡಿತ ನಿಧಾನ ಕಮಲಾಲಯ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಂಕಜ ವಿಭೂಷಣ ವಿಭಾಮರವರಾಣ ಯೋಗಿ ಹೃದಯೇರುಮಾನ ಭಾರತರವಿಂದರು ನಿರಂಬರಯುಗಂ ತೇ ದೇವಿ ಮಮ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ನರಸಿಂಹ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಹಿರಮಯ
Finally, I have to say this. As I have mentioned before, the Samvadam is an important part of Melatur Bhagavata Mela, composed by Sri Venkatrama Sastri. This cannot be shown in video simply because it is about 50 minutes to 1 hour. Swami is on the stage, Hiranyakasipu is down with the audience, emotions taking place in both the sides, things happening year after year. We don't even know how it is presented from both the sides. It's impossible to cover and show it. One must visit Melatur and witness this drama, a live play, and also watch this Samvadam and pray for the blessings of Lord Narasimha. With his blessings, we hope that things improve and we could present the 81st year of Bhagavata Mela Nataka Mahotsav within the next 2 or 3 months. I invite you all to come and witness this divine play. An appeal. Conducting of this annual Mahotsav requires huge funds. I request all of you to contribute whatever you can to support this divine art form to go into the future. We welcome you all once again, and we look forward to the pleasure of meeting you and hosting you at Melatur soon. For further details, contact S. Kumar, Managing Trustee of Bhagavata Mela Natya Nataka Sangam. Email ID melatur.bhagavatamela1938@gmail.com. Website www.bhagavatamela.org. dot melatoor hyphen bhagavatamela dot org. Mobile 999 43 67 113. Thank you so much.